At Qmarinepartssource, we strive to be your #1 source for marine product information and knowledge. In this video, we will take a look at the components included in the MMD P4389K electric fuel pump kit. This is a really cool kit that allows you to replace your mechanical fuel pump, or if you can't find the fuel pump for your application because it's obsolete, it's been replaced. It can be a frustrating situation, and this kit can solve that issue. This kit can be used with gasoline or diesel fuel. It's for 12-volt applications, and it pumps 72 gallons per hour at 5.75 psi. First, and very important, is that there are detailed instructions and a wiring diagram included in the kit. It's important to follow these instructions closely to make sure that you get the installation correct. You'll see that there are some wire connectors included. You'll use 14 gauge wire to connect the pump to the boat's electrical system and 8 gauge wire to ground the pump. And we've also included an oil pressure switch. If the boat has a pre-existing oil pressure safety switch which operates either a warning light or a gauge, it is recommended that a T-adapter be installed into the engine block, and both the OE and this pressure safety switch can be used. Also included is a block-off plate for your previous fuel pump. And in this package will be the fuel pump and the mounting bracket and all the components for mounting the pump. Here is the mounting bracket for the pump. Also included in this package, you'll see various mounting hardware such as nuts and washers and rubber grommets. There's also 2 pump terminal wires, which will be connected to the bottom of the pump. You want to make sure that those boots seal around the pump terminals. Finally, here's the electric fuel pump itself. It's going to come with 2 plugs, and each inlet and outlet you can pull those out. Again, this pump is a 72 gallon per hour pump for use with 3/8-inch hose, and can be used in either gasoline or diesel applications. You can buy this kit along with thousands of other repair and maintenance items on MMDPartssource.com. Visit our website or give us a call for more information and for answers to your questions from our knowledgeable and experienced team.